Are you looking to develop a real estate but you don't know how to? Welcome to my channel. Here you will find the videos that teach you how to invest in real estate. So for you to determine if a project is doing, you need to estimate future revenue and also the cost to get to that revenue. So in this video, I'm going to give you the formula to do a quick profitability analysis. And we will do this analysis in a reverse engineered way, starting with revenue estimates. So how do we do that? How do we estimate the future revenue? And let me give you an example. So let's say if you're subdividing a piece of raw land into serviced lots, you need to determine how many lots you can create first. You're usually allowed to have this many lots per acre. Considerations such as zoning, density, bylaws, setback, minimum frontage, parking requirements, all these considerations will determine how many lots you can create. And based on how many lots you can create, you can now engage a realtor to see how much you can sell these lots for to a buyer, be it a builder or a homeowner that want to build something themselves. I do want to emphasize here that not only you want to get a maximum density, but also the right product. Because for higher density, usually the profits will look better on paper because some costs are fixed or won't change as much with higher density, but higher density do not always equal to marketability. For example, if this piece of land is in a suburban location, people are looking for estate homes, you want to create this type of estate home lots. Although you can make the lots smaller and you can get more lots that way, but if these smaller lots are not what the market wants, they're not marketable, then you can have a very hard time achieving that much revenue. So remember, understand your market, know what the market needs, and supply what's in demand. Similarly, if you're creating a purpose-built rental apartment building, you need to create a pro forma to estimate the net operating income of the building and use income approach to estimate the end value. Costs such as lender fee, mortgage payments, municipality permits and fees, realtor's commission for them to pre-sell your products, insurance payments, utility, property tax. If you can come up with a very detailed cost breakdown, it will help you to analyze your profitability with more accuracy. This is why understanding your area of business is very important, because the cost will change based on the specific approval time of your municipality and the cost of getting the permits as well. For example, if it's going to take you 2 years just to get a zoning change versus 2 months to get a zoning change, the cost on the 2-month approval is definitely going to be cheaper, because not only the mortgage payments are cheaper, the insurance is going to be cheaper as well. In the previous videos, we talked about selling the site to a builder after getting a zoning change or relaxing the bylaw. So if you can't find a builder to buy the site from you at this point, you can now exit the project. And if you want to service the site and create more advanced products, you will need to spend more money to further develop this site. For example, bring in services, you need to understand how much that's going to cost per foot or per linear yard, and you can call the local construction company to find out about the pricing of these servicing. And if you happen to have a property on it that you need to tear down, call a demolition company to inquire about their pricing on tearing down the property as well. All these items will be part of the cost and the revenue analysis. But at this stage, revenue and cost estimates are quite rough, so we call them guesstimates, because at this point, you don't actually have a finalized drawings for you to go out to tender, so you really don't know what's the final cost is going to be. But by doing this analysis, you're going to get a rough idea of the profitability and make the best informed decision whether to move forward or not with this project. There's a part 2 video of this topic where I talk about this more in details during the design stage and how this profitability analysis will change and develop once you get closer to a building permit with a designer and also a quantity surveyor. So if you're looking to understand more about the revenue estimating and cost estimating, please check out that video. That being said, if you're looking to learn how to invest in real estate in more details, please check out other videos here on my channel. We also offer one-on-one private consultation to help people develop and own more real estate. If you'd like to speak with me directly, please go to my website, kailu.ca, to book an appointment with me. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. Leave your questions or comments in the section below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.